Looking at this for yourself or somebody else, I'm going to show you everything it comes with. They're basically like a white or yellow looking sore in the back of your throat on your tonsils. They can get scabby, your tongue can feel them, and it's very irritating. So to have something like this to remove them gently and safely, it comes with your device itself. It does come with a little mirror here so you can see what you're doing. You also get a bunch of different heads, some that are just silicone and some that are plastic. Depends on how stubborn the stones are in the back of your throat to get. Have a tongue compressor, have a brush to clean things, got Q-tips, a little wooden stick that just helps loosen those stones. Comes with its own charger, and then it does also come with a pair of tweezers that are rounded. Charging port is here at the bottom. It does have a digital screen, and then here's a little plastic jar that your stones would go into. So all you're going to do is get it charged up, turn the on button on. You can see your battery life is right there. It does have 6 different settings, and then I love the fact it's got this really bright light, so you can definitely see in the back of your mouth. You're just basically going to pick out what tool you want to use or start with. And they do recommend filling this syringe with warm water and, of course, shooting it back on one of those stones and then taking the machine, turn it on. Just pick a different suction that you want. That is on number 3. Goes clear up to 6. That's got a good amount of suction. So all you're going to do is spray that stone with some water to try and hopefully loosen it, and then take this in the back of your throat, use your little mirror, and kind of work at that stone like that, kind of sucking it so that it gently pulls up. I don't currently have any stones in the back of my throat, but I just wanted to kind of demonstrate what you do. But I do love this, and like I said, it's got nice suction to it. Definitely something I wish I would have had many, many years ago. And that's pretty much it. The stone will either go in here, or if you want to help it along, you could take your tweezers and gently tug at that as well. So if you are looking at this, I hope this helps.